Hello there everybody, Sam's Trains here, welcome back to the railway and welcome back to another express running session. Now of course these videos are supposed to be short, so I'm going to jump in straight away and let you know what I'm going to be doing today. So today it's going to be all about shunting locomotives. I'm just going to be basically running some shunting locomotives and I can't wait to get started. First half is going to be some modern locomotives, and I'm talking about the models rather than the prototypes in real life. And then second half I'm going to run some more vintage locos for you. So I hope you're going to like it. I know I am. I love shunters personally and I hope you guys do as well. Let's get started with loco number 1. So first off then, you can't talk about shunting without talking about this engine. This is one of the most ubiquitous and most commonly seen diesel shunters in the UK, and it is of course the Class 08 shunter, a lovely 060, quite modern, 1950s, so you know, quite a lot later than all of the steam ones we're going to be looking at. But nonetheless, she's got a little bit of a train of box vans with a brake van on the end there. Let's get her started then, the 08 shunter. There you go, and that's half speed, so that gives you an idea of how slowly she runs. Okay, let me show you what's on the middle line. So this is one of my new favourite shunting locomotives. This one is actually the Hatton's P-Class, the SECR P-Class, and in real life when these locomotives were designed, they weren't actually designed for shunting, they were designed for passenger work, but unfortunately they never were any good at passenger work, so they ended up doing shunting instead. But in the passenger work spirit, I've put some coaches with her, so just imagine that she's taking those to a yard somewhere where they'll be shunted onto bigger trains. But here we go then, the SECR P-Class in the beautiful grey livery. Let's get her started. Here we go, with some coaches. Try and keep her steady too. Okay, let me reveal what's on the inside line then. So here's another very, very numerous type, I won't say class, but type of diesel shunter. This is the Sentinel 040, and the Sentinel Wagon Works produced all different sorts of shunters. They did 060s, 080s I believe, but this is the 040 one that Hornby did in the Crossley and Evans livery, and as you can see here she's got some wagons, just some open wagons, so again let's assume she's taking those to a shunting yard or something like that. So let's give her some juice then and see how she runs. Nice and steadily does it. She's going to be running alongside the P-Class it looks like. Okay, so enjoy these running then. I'll do a little bit of an around the room running session for you. Here comes the Sentinel. I've just had to take it to bits to clean the pickups because she was stopping quite a lot. The whole thing kind of isn't very serviceable to be honest, but I managed it in the end with a little super glue. Say no more. There goes the 08 looking lovely, and we're about to get interrupted by the P-Class coming by. There we go. But yeah, lovely shunters. I think they look great. There goes the 08, slowly starting to climb Gordon's Hill. Now in real life these could only go at I think 20 miles an hour or something like that. So really that is probably fast for an 08 shunter. Although I've not got much of a head for scale speeds, but yeah, they certainly wouldn't have been flying around in real life. There you go again with the Sentinel. Alright folks, well I'm going to start taking these off now. Well, I'll put them into sidings, how about that, so you can still see them. And then we'll move on to the second half where I will show you some vintage shunters. Let's just wait for the 08 to show its face coming around the curve. There she is. Now I would say we'll wait for her to come down this straight towards us, but this is an express video and it would take about 10 minutes for her to arrive here, so let's move on and I'll be right back in just a second. So there is the Sentinel then in a siding, and all of the other first three engines have done the same. So now we can move on to some of those vintage locos I mentioned. So here's the first one. This one is yet another 08 shunter, but this one is actually from several decades earlier. This is a Tri-ang one. And as you can see, it's in a southern livery. Now, as lovely as the southern livery is, it's not actually prototypical, and I'm not going to tell you why. I'm going to see if any of the youngsters out there can figure it out for themselves. So I won't give you much, but I will give you a little clue. Are you ready? Here's the clue. The 08 shunters were first built in 1952, and that should tell you what you need. So in the comments, see if you can figure out why this livery isn't very prototypical. Anyway, she's pulling a small rake of Smith's crisp snacks and nuts with a southern brake van on the end there, just to match the logo. Let's get her started then, and a little bit of a noise warning. These old girls are quite noisy. Although she's not too bad, she does sell everything. Okay, on the middle line, this is another Tri-ang Shunter, and again this one's not strictly prototypical. It does closely resemble a real life Shunter, but not quite, and equally I don't know whether the real life Shunters actually were painted red like this one is, but this one is red and they're known simply as Tri-ang Dock Shunters. She's got a couple of LMS coaches as you can see, and for a change she's going to be pushing them. Okay, let's give her a try. And finally then, here is another very well-known shunting engine. This is the Tri-ang Jinty, and as you can see mine's not in fantastic condition because she's been well loved and well played with over the years. But anyway, she's pulling a range of tankers, some Shell ones there, there's even some Pepsi on the back there. Hopefully you'll enjoy seeing that then, so let's get her started. Come on, she's stuck. Well, I tried thumping the ground, it didn't work. Right, I'll just have to give her a nudge. There we go. That's the joy of Tri-ang for you. Okay, enjoy seeing these three run then. So there you have it, you've now seen all of today's Shunters, so I will include a poll for you to vote on which was your favourite. Ooh, that's tricky, isn't it? I think mine is the B-Class. But that's not to say I don't love these Tri-ang Shunters, because they're fantastic. And reliable too. Just as he's saying how reliable they are. That wasn't great. Let me see if I can fix her. There she is. Looks to me like she's stuck on the point. And she's not running as fast as she'd like to be, which is probably why that happened. There we go. If she does it again, I'll speed her up. Oops, we've got a derailment too. Hang on. There goes the 08. Very old 08. And of course the Jinty. Bless her, she's a bit embarrassed after that. But not to worry, she's an old girl, it's alright. And this is not something I do often, have a loco push coaches. It's generally a little bit dodgy, it causes derailments normally, but with two coaches or something like that, it's just fine normally. Okay folks, well thank you all very much for watching. That was just a brief shunting session, or an express shunting session as I'd call it. If you've got any other ideas for what would make a good express video, please let me have them down in the comments. But for now, I think that's all I've got to say, so once again, thank you for your company. Here comes the Dock Shunter, lovely red Dock Shunter. Thank you for watching, and I will see you very, very soon. Cheers everybody.